Hello, my name is Keontae Hedrick. I am the COO of Instaspeakers, and today I will demonstrate on how to upload a document for our text-to-audio function on our Instaspeakers app. First, we'll begin with selecting Translate Document. You will select the language you wish your document to be translated from. We'll choose Spanish. Select Save. And then you see that English is already pre-populated from the profile settings. Next, select Upload. And you will select the source that you want your document to be from. Select your document. Once your document has been uploaded, you can select which tier of translators you wish to translate your document. For our hospital model, we will only have one tier for the certified translators. If you have a promo code, you will enter it here and select Book. The left screen is what the translators will see. You can see here the translator's name. You can click on that name and information to see what languages they're also fluent in and their amount of sessions and rate. You can also chat with the translators before they begin to record. The translator will then be able to see the document and begin recording.
Consent to photograph. First line, patient. To the right of that, date. Second line, date of birth. To the right of that, time, AM/PM. Next line, MRN. Next line, I authorize blank, in parentheses, provider, to photograph or permit other persons to photograph blank, in parentheses, patient. I agree that the provider or attending physician may use or permit other persons to use the negatives or prints as prepared for treatment purposes and in such manner as may be deemed necessary. Next line, patient signature. To the right of that, date. Next line, signature of legally authorized representative. To the right of that, relationship to patient. Next line, witness. To the right of that, date.
Once the document once the translator has finished recording, you will be notified that the document has been paused, as you just saw, and the translator will upload the document when they are finished recording. You will receive another notification that the document is completed, and you will also be able to review the document.
Consent to photograph. First line, patient. To the right of that, date.
Once you have reviewed the document, you can also rate your translator and leave a comment if you wish.